Stop! How do? Mental Health Awareness Day 2025. So, most of you will know that I'm not really one to jump on these kind of days, because in my opinion, every day is a day to think and observe our mental health. Nevertheless, I do understand the importance of these days, and this year, the theme is access to services, more specifically mental health in catastrophes and emergencies. This in itself can branch off in multiple ways in life, whether it's a global travesty, like war, for example, or down to something small. But we're all unique and we all feel and believe things very, very differently. One man's rubbish is another man's treasure. This is the comparison I use with regards to people who sweat the small stuff. Someone could be flipping their shit because their tyres flat, for example, and to another person this it's just a minor inconvenience. But that first person could be drowning in debt, be looking after sick parents, sick partners, or kids, running late for work or whatever. They hate their job. We genuinely don't know. So in such case, we shouldn't pass judgment. In theory, it's really easy, but in practice it isn't, and we are all guilty of it from time to time. Now, there are a world of services that we have access to all over the world. Some are massively under strain and some are really underutilized. I'll tag and link some of my personal recommendations of services that I've either used personally in the past or referred to friends, family members, and clients, and people that I speak to on here. But the one underutilized service, especially when someone's mental health is low and in these catastrophes and emergencies, is you. You hold all the answers. You have the key that unlocks all the answers that you need. The problem is sometimes we can't see it because we just can't get out of our own way. It's normal, that's life, and the majority of us have been there. So this is what I personally do, and again I share it with others. And something really ironic is I needed to take a leaf out of my own book for this. It's over the past week or so, because I've been feeling really overwhelmed with just a multitude of things. And yeah, I had to basically do this technique, and that technique is stop. Now that is stop with a double P, okay? And it stands for stop, plan, observe. I've said plan twice. You don't. You stop, you pause, you observe, you plan, and you proceed. Now that sounds basic as fuck, right? And that's good. It's meant to be. We don't need to overcomplicate it, especially when it comes to our mental health. When you find yourself in time of need and things are overwhelming or getting too much, please try this technique. Share it with someone that could benefit from it as well. And also share it with someone that can then transversely benefit you. So when you are in a time of need and you can't get out of your own way, reach out to that person and get them to tell you to stop. Get them to tell you to stop, so then you take a leaf out of your own book and you do what you know is good and what is going to help you. So if any of that helped, please share it, comment, and all that good stuff. And just remember, there is no shame in needing help. We all need help from time to time. It's okay to ask and to speak out. Now, give us a follow. You know it makes sense. Bush.